starting with our dough mixture, and all we need for the mixture is flour, baking powder, butter, seasoning cube, and salt, and cold water. So guys, we're gonna start adding our ingredients. So guys, you're gonna sprinkle your seasoning cube on your flour. And then we're gonna add some baking powder, just 1 spoon of baking powder. So guys, you're gonna melt your butter for like 20 seconds in the microwave. So guys, we're done melting our butter. So now you have to use your hands and mix your salt and your seasoning cube.
Next, guys, we're gonna put a butter in it.
We're gonna use our hands and mix it around. So guys, next we're gonna pour our water bit by bit. Now we're gonna mix. Guys, so remember, before doing this mixture, always wash your hand properly. So now I'm done mixing my mixture, so now we're gonna cover it up. So what are we gonna do next?
We're gonna put it in the fridge.
Okay, let's do that. So guys, now we're done with that. So now let's get on to the sauce for our meat pie.
So guys, we're gonna start with meat pie. So and all we need is ground beef, carrot, and potato.
Thyme, curry, onion, scotch bonnet, seasoning cube, and salt. So guys, we're gonna start adding our vegetable oil. So guys, once your oil is hot, you put your onions. So guys, as you can see, it's turning, and then after that you add your scotch bonnet. Next, we're gonna put our grounded beef. now we're gonna add our potatoes. When we're done adding our carrot, we add a little bit of water. Then we cover it up for like 5 minutes. So guys, as you can see, our sauce is watery, and we don't want it to be watery. We want it to be thick. So what we're gonna do is add a little bit of flour to our sauce to make it sticky. Smells good. So next, guys, we're gonna add our flour into our sauce. So guys, when you're done adding your flour, you're gonna let your sauce cook for a few minutes, and then you're done with your sauce. So guys, as you can see, the sauce is done, and now let's get down to the filling. And my best part is the filling. So guys, now you're gonna get a bowl and put it around your dough. So guys, as you can see, our meat pie is ready to go into the oven, and we're gonna set it for 45 minutes. But before it goes in, we have to put some egg on it. So guys, before your 45 minutes is up, you can bring out your meat pie and rub some egg on it.
Guys, guess what? The meat pie is ready to eat.
And the meat pie looks yummy, and I can't wait to eat it. So guys, thanks for watching. Tell us what you think. Subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. And our Instagram is the Linton's Family. Thanks for watching.